Predefined variables and refresh rates function. Predefined variables are variables that are already defined in MQL4. We can use them, but we cannot change them. We'll be calling these predefined variables a lot in our expert advisor. In the last videos, I showed you some of the predefined variables like bid ask, open, high, low, close. So these are predefined variables. Now, this is a very good article that is available online, MQL4.com book. I have given the reference. You should read this article. You this see here that bit. This bit is this the predefined variable. So what to know the bit. Now you should know that this bit and ask they change with each tick. I have explained to you what a tick is. A tick is the last decimal point. So when it's changing, and it's so these variables also going to change. Or this is a comparison of two expert advisors. This tick is coming at this point of time, tick 2 is coming at this point of time, tick 3 is coming at this point of time, tick 4 is coming at this point of time. Expert advisor 1 does not make a lot of calculations, so it's after t1 seconds it's free. See? But expert advisor 2 is full of instructions and it makes a lot of calculations. So it takes a lot of time to complete those calculations. So see, so tick 1 is okay, but tick 2 comes, tick 3 comes, it's still busy in the calculations. So it will skip this tick 3 and it will start again at tick 4. During this time, this bid ask price has changed and other predefined variables have changed. So how do you manage this thing? Because the EA is going to be using old values. For that, there is a predefined function refresh rates. Refresh rates function has to returns to value true when there's a new tick and the predefined variables have changed, so it updates them, and false when there's no change in the predefined variables. So you will see that we will be using these this refresh rates a lot in our date copier EA because we don't want to use stale data, old data. This is a very good article. You can read it. There's a lot of stuff that is on the MQL4 reference, MQL4 book has got a lot of information, and I suggest that you should on and off read them, become familiar with them. I learned MQL4 by consulting these resources, and I am giving you the link. You must have observed that in the previous videos also I'm using this. I'm just trying to explain what is written on these online references. These are freely available references. Whatever language you learn, if you learn Python, then you should read the freely available Python reference. There's a lot of information in that. If you learn C sharp, then you should learn freely available C sharp reference. So one more thing that I want to explain is types of variables. So they are local and global variables. Local variable is what is in this curly braces. If you define a variable over here, it will just live between these two curly braces, and when the program control gets out of this curly braces, that variable will die. Global variables are variables. See, this is a variable int tick that you have defined between these two curly braces. So this tick will exist between these two curly braces, and when the control goes out of these curly braces, this variable will die down. Local variables basically live between the curly braces of the functions. They don't have any existence outside those curly braces. Global variables are the ones that are accessible from all over the program, and we avoid using global variables because if you change the global variable, it will change for the whole program. But still, we need them. So I wanted to explain to you what is a local variable and what is a global variable. So global variables are that exist for the whole program. You should read them. Global variables always defined, declared before at the very top of the program.